Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI MediaPad T5, and today I will show you how to access the eRecovery on this device. So before we begin, you will need a cable that is plugged into your computer. So have that handy, and then begin to power off the device. So hold the power key and then select power off. Now once the device shuts off, what you want to do is hold volume up only. And while holding volume up, you want to plug in the cable. And keep holding the volume up for the entire time. And you can let go once you see the HUAWEI logo. And as you can see, we're now in the eRecovery. It's right here. And I'm just going to unplug it and place it straight up so it's easier visible or readable. And as you can see, you can download latest version and recovery, wipe data, reboot system, or shut it down. And simply just tap on whatever you want to choose and it will automatically perform it. So as an example, I'm just going to reboot system basically. So tap on reboot. And as you can see, the device immediately shuts off and begins to power back on into the normal Android. And we're back in the Android, as you can see. So that is how you would access the eRecovery and also leave it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.